Guys, okay guys. Now here in this session we'll do these configurations. Okay, we'll discuss about all this configuration. Guys, when it comes to first option, create customer account groups. In the same way, what we discussed in the accounts payable, here also there will be similarities. But configuration T codes will vary. Okay, you can see here. Earlier it was OBD3 to create to create vendor account groups. But when it comes to customer, we use T code OBD2. Now you can find here three types of account groups. Three types of account groups. One is please give me a moment, guys. Here, one is domestic customer, and the second person is international customer, and third person is third account group. It was one-time customer. Guys, in the last session, we discussed about the domestic vendor. No, anyone please tell me who is the domestic vendor? Anyone please tell me who is domestic vendor? Am I audible, guys? Who is a domestic vendor?
The domestic vendor means hello?
Who is the domestic vendor, sir?
Hello?
Local vendor
Hello?
within the
Hello?
country.
Once again, please repeat it, sir.
A local vendor within the country.
The local vendor within the country. Okay. Then, who is the international vendor?
The vendor from out of country. I mean, from other countries.
Okay. Then, who is the one-time one-time vendor?
No idea.
Anyone, guys? The persons. When the here you can see two types of account groups now, domestic and international. When these two fellows, when these two account groups doesn't satisfy the needs of our company organization, then we go okay, we'll do the transaction, business transaction with the one-time vendor. Particularly when the persons, domestic and international account group persons, are not satisfied, then only will take uh, services or goods from one-time account group fellows. He might be a vendor or customer. Now, anyone please tell me who is domestic customer? Same definition, but then here names will be changes. Okay, now anyone please tell me who is domestic customer? Guys, anyone please tell me who is domestic customer? Okay, who is domestic vendor? The person, a group, a company who signs, who provides you or organization goods or services within the locality, within the territory of your country where the organization was located. In the same way, here domestic customer means the person to whom we sell our products or to whom we provide goods or services within the territories, within the boundaries of the country where it was located, where the organization it was located. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when it comes to international customer, suppose think that guys, you're from India. You're from India. Your organization was located within the territory of India. But there are some customers to whom we want to sell outside of our country. Okay, outside of the country. If it was inside of country, then we are calling domestic customer. If it was outside the limits of the country, then we call international customer. In the definition, we can say international customers are those customers to whom we provide goods or services, okay, outside the territory of the particular country where it was where it particular. I'm sorry, guys. International customer means it is nothing but to whom we provide our goods or services outside the limit of the country, outside the limit of the company where it was located in the particular country. Okay, I'll give you this definition. Just give me a moment. International customer. International customers are those who are located at the limits of the country where the organization was established. Okay. Is it clear, guys? International customers are those customers who are located, who are situated outside the limits of the country, means outside the boundaries of the country where the organization was established. Now we are assumed that the organization was established in India, to whom we provide our goods or services within the country, then we call domestic customer. If we provide our goods or services outside the country, outside India, to the particular customers, we call international customer. Now you may get one more doubt: who is the one-time customer? One-time customer are nothing but, okay, temporary customers. Temporary customers. You know that in Word you can find temporary means he's not a permanent guy. The permanent fellows are those two account group fellows. Those are domestic customers, and the second fellow was international customer. Sometimes who has to sell our products. Okay, if we manufacture surplus product, then we'll sell product to temporary customers. They are not permanent. Okay, those fellows are nothing but once time we call, okay, we create customers under account group of one time customers. Okay, next thing was create number range. Create number range. Same thing. We has to create number range. We has to create number range for domestic customer, international customer, and one-time customer. And we has to, in the third step, we has to assign account group to number range. We has to assign account group to number range. Okay, then anyone please tell me why we create tolerance under ZL or under accounts payable? It is nothing but guys to put limit. Okay, to put limit to post a maximum document to post maximum to give a lot maximum outstanding amount. Okay, to give maximum discount. All these things will be defined under tolerance. Okay, anyone please read these configuration steps, guys.
Yeah, hi sir, Madan here. Good morning.
Very good morning, guys. Please, anyone please read these configuration steps.
Okay, account receivable basic configuration. First is create customer account group in OBD2, then domestic customer or local customer. Okay. So create number range XDN1 for customer account for domestic customer. Then we have to assign customer account group to number range in OBAR. Then create tolerance group in OBA3. Then create reconciliation account for account group FS00.
Okay. And Veeraswamy, can you please read these configuration steps, sir? Give me a moment, guys.
I think he's not there.
Yeah. Ma'am Anu, can you please read these configuration steps? One after one, please go through it.
First one is create custom account group OBD2. Second is create number range XDN1. Then assign custom account group to number range OBAR. Then create tolerance with OBA3. Create reconciliation account for account groups FS00.
So please, Hemant, please go through it once.
Accounts receivable basic configuration. Step 1 is create customer account groups OBD2, domestic customer, local customer, international customer, and one-time customer, temporary customer. Create number range XDN1. Domestic customer, local customer, international customer, and one-time customer, temporary customer. Assign customer account group to number range OBAR. Create tolerance OBA3. Create a reconciliation account for account groups FS00.
Super, sir. Guys, now, Madam Anu, can you please tell me who is domestic customer? What is the difference between domestic customer and international customer?
Domestic customer is the customer within the territory, sir, within the country. International customers are customers in different countries.
Okay. Sir, Madan, can you please tell me who is a one-time customer?
Yeah, hi sir. So it is actually temporary customer.
Okay, can you please elaborate?
Temporary customer means it is a one-time customer only. So we create if we sell any if we okay.
Okay, if we produce surplus goods or services, when this both account groups doesn't satisfy our needs, Okay, then we will sell our products to the temporary customers. Okay, those are nothing but one-time customers. They are not permanent guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I told you create number range for each account group. Suppose guys, under domestic customer who had 1,000 number of customers, and under international account group who had 1,000, one more 1,000 customers, and suppose think that guys, in one time customer who had 50 customers. Now the thing is, this number range what we give, okay, when we create customer under customer account group, this number range will be assigned automatically. Suppose think that guys, I told you who had 1,000 number of customers, and we had suppose think that we created number range and we given two digits, and under these two digits, suppose think that from number and to number we had given 2,000 from number to 3,000. The first number will be assigned as 2,000 and the last number will be assigned as 2,999. Means we have only 1,000 customers. The number will be began from the basic. It will be go from ascending order, small to big. Okay. Same way for international and one time. Okay. But can you please tell me what is the difference between international customer and one-time customer, sir?
Sir, international customer also can be a one-time customer. But yeah, it's
Okay. Viraswamy, can you please tell me what is the difference between one-time customer and international customer? Hello, Viraswamy, am I audible?
Hello.
Yes, please
Hello,
go
sir.
ahead, sir.
Hello. Sir, international customer means out of country, you
సార్ మీరు
తెలుగులో
బయట కంట్రీ అని చెప్తున్నారు. ఓకే, బయట కంట్రీ నుంచి ఏం చేస్తాం మనము? వాడికి అమ్ముతామా, కొంటామా, ఏదో ఒకటి పడేయాలి కదా అక్కడ.
మనకి సార్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ కస్టమర్ అంటే మన బయట వాడికి ఉన్న బయట ఉన్న కంట్రీ వాళ్ళకు మనం సరుకులు అమ్ముతాం.
ఆ, ఇక్కడ మరి వన్ టైం కస్టమర్ అంటే ఎవరండి?
వన్ టైం కస్టమర్ అంటే డొమెస్టిక్ కస్టమర్, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ కస్టమర్ దగ్గర మనకు సరుకులు గూడ్స్ నాట్ అంటే దొరకనప్పుడు వన్ టైం కస్టమర్ మనం చూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం.
ఇప్పుడు మనము వెండర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ గురించి కాదు కదా, కస్టమర్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటిదంటే మనము మన డొమెస్టిక్ కస్టమర్, సపోజ్ మనం సర్ప్లస్ గుడ్స్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసాము. మనం ప్రతి సంవత్సరం మన అవుట్పుట్ సపోజ్ ఒక 2,000 టన్నులు అనుకోండి, 2,000 టన్నులు గూడ్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాము. మన ఈసారి 2,500 టన్స్ గూడ్స్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసాము, అంటే 500 టన్స్ గూడ్స్ని సర్ప్లస్గా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసాము. ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర డొమెస్టిక్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సిందంతే తీసుకుంటారు కదా. ఈ సర్ప్లస్ గూడ్స్ని మనం బయట అమ్మాలి. ఎవరికి అమ్ముతాము? టెంపరీ కస్టమర్స్ ఎవరు ఉన్నాడో వాడికి అమ్ముతాం. ఓకే సార్. Madam Anu, why we has to create a number range? Is it necessary?
Yes, sir.
Why, madam?
To differentiate between the different type of customers or vendors, you need to have a number range.
Okay. Actually, for each account group, we had given each number range. Okay. Why we has to give each account number for each number range?
For postings, sir, because
Not for posting, ma'am. Actually, when we create under one account group, under one number range, the number will be assigned each customer or each vendor the number from ascending order in the number range interval. it will take automatically, will not give there any input to take the certain number. Super madam, fabulous. It was super madam. Okay guys, anyone please tell me why we have to create tolerance for customers?
To put limits, sir.
In what way,
Sir,
ma'am?
put limit, sir.
In what way you can put the limit?
Transaction limits like amount.
Okay, in which way? Can you please elaborate it? Actually, guys, we put limit on maximum amount how much he can be allowed to post, and maximum outstanding how much he can give. Okay, how much he can take, and maximum cash discount how much we can be allowed. All those things will be defined under tolerance. Okay, is it clear regarding basic configuration, sir? Now we have one more thing, reconciliation account. Okay, reconciliation account. Here, reconciliation will act as main account, and under it you can find. Anyone please tell me what is the word meaning called reconciliation? Reconciliation is nothing but verification, watching. What we'll do in watching and verification? Okay, we will collect all the invoices and we'll check with the respective documents with the respective books. In the same way, when it comes to reconciliation customer account, okay, it acts as a main account and what the transactions will take. In this main account, we'll check with the sub accounts like customers. There you can find n number of customers. We'll take n number of customers and we'll check with the main account. We'll check with the reconciliation account. Okay, guys. So here for each account group like domestic customer, international customer, and one-time customer, we create each reconciliation account. Okay. In the last session, actually we discussed one thing, guys. Accounts payable. Okay, anyone please tell me without saying it. Accounts payable basic configurations.
So create vendor account group. Then we'll create the number range for the vendor account. Then we have to assign that vendor to one group. Then
Okay.
we have to create the tolerance groups.
Okay. Actually, we create reconciliation accounts also, no, sir, for each account group.
Yes,
Please
sir.
mention. Yeah, good, sir. Fabulous, sir. And anyone, please. Sir
Create
Viraswamy, can you
account
please
group.
tell me accounts payable basic configurations with the T code?
Create account group T code OBD3. Create a number range XKN1. Assign account groups to the number range OBAS. Vendor creation A01. Tolerance create a vendor tolerance group creation OBA3. Vendor reconciliation account PES00.
Super, sir. Fabulous. Hemant, can you please tell me accounts payable basic configurations?
Sir, I need to practice more.
Okay. Sir, Mother, can you please? With the T code, I need. Can you please repeat it once?
Yes, sir. So T code actually, let me try. So create account group, vendor account group in OBD3.
Okay.
The T code actually, I didn't remember actually.
Okay, please
I have to
practice,
practice.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, I have to practice.
And everything was good. Oh, no, ma'am, can you please tell me the basic configuration, accounts payable configuration steps?
So I need to look back, sir.
Okay.
I have not filled my Excel sheet. I'm still working on the other videos.
Okay, okay. Please do practice. Now, actually, guys, now the second thing was, anyone please tell me who is the business partner? Actually, we discussed about it.
So who are the associate with the business?
Yeah, super, sir. Can you please elaborate?
Uh, like stakeholders and who are like paying money to run a business. Uh, business.
Sir, actually,
Mhm.
it was good, but it was lagging somewhere. Here, when it comes to accounts payable and accounts receivable, okay, we discussed about this only. Now, the thing is, to whom we sell or to who, through whom we receive goods or service. It might in here business partners or nothing but customers and vendors. Okay. Now, actually, we are not used the T code XK01 to create vendor master data. In the place of SKN1, we used BP, T code BP. Here also, first of all, guys, we has to create business partner master data. First of all, we has to create business partner master data. Okay, then under which T code we can create it? Under T code B. Okay, under T code BP. Actually, when it comes to accounts payable, what we done? We created business partner master data. Then we done extension to the business partner. Here also, we do business partner, we create business partner master data under general data, then we'll do extension. Okay, in the extension of business partner master data, okay, we create customer master data at company code and at sales organization. Okay, to create business partner roles at company code, okay, we use, you can find there predefined business partner role. It was FLCU, FLCU 00, okay, at FI and FLCU CUO1 under sales organization. Okay, first who has to create business partner master data, then who has to do extension. Okay, who has to make extension of business partner master data at company code and at sales organization. Now the thing is, when it comes to accounts payable, we have discussed about vendor. Now what we done there, we created business partner master data under general data under transaction code BP, and then when it comes to business partner role, okay, I'll define one more thing, guys. I'll give you more clarity. BP means business partner role, guys. Okay. It is general. If we are done extension, I told you we create business partner master data under general. Okay, then we'll do extension. Okay, extension of business partner master data will create business partner roles. If it was when it related to FI, we create customer.
Yes, sir. Hello?
Hello, am I audible, guys? Yes, please. Anybody? Who's that? Anybody had any doubt? Please raise your queries.
Sir, so under accounts receivable, you said international customers, one-time customers, and domestic customers, right? And then
Yes.
business partner, can you give an example? Like,
Actually, man, what I told you, who is the business partner? The person who provides or who receives. The person who provides is nothing but vendor. The person who receives is nothing but customer.
yes.
Okay, actually we discussed three types of account groups. One is domestic, it's nothing but local, international, and one time. Okay, just leave it. We create three types of business partner role. Here we'll define business partner roles. Okay, we create company at company code data under FI with customer, and at the extension we has to define when it comes to FI with SD integration. Okay, we'll take SD when it comes to when we create customer, we has to give some inputs like a sales organization, some fields we has to give. So extension of FI, we will select sales organization data when we create customer. Okay, you are asking that we discuss different types of customers, different account
So
groups,
when you have
but we are
customers and
okay.
suppliers separately, why is it? Because these people are directly linked to the business? Is that why you call them business partners and you want?
Yeah, who
What?
has to link up? It is mandatory to create customer when it comes to S4HANA. Okay, but in ECC version, it is not mandatory. Okay, we create three types of business partners: domestic, international, and one time. Okay, and for each customer, for each way, for okay, we'll discuss in a customer point of view. Okay, when it comes when we create customer, Okay, first we'll create business partner and we'll change business partner to customer. At company code data, we use T code FLCU00, and if we want to integrate customer with SD department, SD module, okay, then we'll move again extension. Okay, then we'll use business partner role FLCU01. Okay, and one more thing. Here we created three types of account groups now. So in the same way, at company code data in a FI point of view under FLCU00, we create three account groups: domestic customer, international customer, and one-time customer. And it is extension of, okay, we create sales organization data and a business partner role FLCU01 for each customer account group, that is domestic customer, international customer, and one-time customer. Okay guys. Okay, here the thing is, who has to create first a business partner under general, then who has to convert that particular business partner, okay, who has to create this general, who has to modify, who has to change this general data to company code data. Then we can make transactions at company code level. If you are not done, okay, you will not create a single vendor or a single customer. Okay guys, I told you in the last session there are some obsolete transaction codes. Okay, that is FD01, FD02, FD03, FD05, FD06. Okay, for FI and a customer, and VD01, VD02, VD03, VD05, VD06. Okay, it is for SD customer. And when it comes to centrally to create customer, we use the transaction code. In most of the cases, we used XD01, XD02, XD03, XD05, XD06, and XD07. This transaction code has been obsoleted. In the place of all this transaction code, we are just using, okay, BP. We are using just transaction code BP. Okay, now there are some configuration steps to link this business partner to account groups, to customer account groups. Business partner and link to vendor master vendor master data. Okay, we are linking business partner to vendor master. Okay, two different customer account groups. Okay, the first step was define define number range, and second one was define grouping, and assign number range. Here guys, grouping is nothing but business partner. Okay, actually we'll create business partner roles now. Okay, for those grouping we'll assign number range. Then we has to link up the direction for implementation project. Okay, we'll give inputs to define number range, assignment, direction, business partner to vendor. Okay, when it comes to migration project, the direction will be vendor to business partner, opposite to implementation. Okay, the reason is actually if I told you in the first of in the here case we create business partner, then we'll change it to customer. But for migration project already we had customer, so we didn't create a business partner role, so we'll create business partner and we'll move direction vendor to customer to business partner. Define our assignments for direction, business partner to customer. Okay, this is okay for each business partner role we create number range, and then next step we'll assign. In the third step, okay, we'll link the customers to business partner. Okay guys, in the next session we'll do all the configurations. If anybody had any doubts, please raise your queries. Okay, then if there is any time, then we'll do a basic unit testing. Okay, in the next sessions, okay, we'll discuss about unit testing, basic unit testing. Okay, if anybody had any doubt, please raise your queries, guys.